Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an opening, so it's a product opening unboxing video, and today I'm unboxing a glass teapot from ProCook. I've always wanted one of these, so when I went shopping in Christmas with my family, I picked up a glass teapot. Imagine guys, everybody picking up shoes, coats, toys, and whatever. And what did I pick up? A glass teapot. You can tell I love what I do. I love making my teas, I love making my juices and so on. But if you think about it, really, this is my toy, right? This is a herbalist, one of the herbalist toys, and so I'm so happy to be unboxing this right now. So I'm just gonna open it up. Cannot wait to see what it looks like. All right, so open up. Okay, wow, it's so shiny, guys. Look. I can only see the top of it. I've got the top part here. Oh, and it has this long part here, guys, with the sieve, the strainer. It looks really nice. It's so shiny. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna, how do I open this, guys? I don't know how to use it. Believe I take this part off. Okay, yeah, it's quite easy to understand. It's intuitive, isn't it? Look, I can just figure it out. So it's just this cover goes on top. Cover goes on top. So the tea leaves go inside, and this goes on top. All right, let me get the rest of it out, guys. And so this came really nicely packaged in a nice wrap. Let me get that out. And it's here. Let me take this off. I'm so excited, guys. Oh look, guys, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh, good. Look, guys, so beautiful. I know some of you are laughing at me, but yeah, I get excited about things like this. So ProCook, it says. Just love it. And I'm gonna just pop it down carefully. It's my first one, guys, my first glass teapot. Can you tell? And then I think this would go inside. Oh, yes. And I need to figure out how to use it properly, right? And stop fumbling. Okay. So, I believe your tea leaves would go in here. And then I pour the hot water in, and then I cover it. And there's a little hole to let the steam out. And then it will infuse in the teapot, and then I will just pour it out. Oh yes. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just give it a clean. So I'm going to clean it. It's brand new. I'm going to give it a little wash and clean it, and then I'm going to try it out. So stay tuned for the next video when I'm trying it out and showing you how I use it. Okay. Alright, that's the unboxing of my ProCook glass teapot. 1,200 milliliters and 40 fluid ounces. It is inner stainless, and it has steel mesh basket as well, which you see, and that's what it's going to look like when I am steeping my tea. And I'm just so excited. So catch you in the next one, guys. I'm going to show you how I use it. Let me just go give it a nice clean. I mean, it's nice and clean, nice and shiny, very clean. But of course, with everything, when you buy a new product, you should always clean it, you know, before you're using it. So very smart. I love it. It looks so great. So see you in the next video when I show you how I use it, guys. Stay tuned. Bye for now.